Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Shield IAS. So we continue our series of previous year question discussion. We have already discussed around 30 questions from Geography and Environment portion of UPSC Prelims 2021. In this video, I have taken up another important question from Geography section which was asked by UPSC in Prelims 2022. So let's start our discussion. So the first question is related to the lakes of West Africa. So regarding to important lakes, important countries, important mountains and important rivers of West Africa, I have already discussed in the series of geography map discussion. And the link of these videos are given in the description box. You can go and watch all these videos so that you can get a basic idea how UPSC framed the question from world map. So now start with the first question. Question number 1. Which one of the following lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert? So if as we see in West Africa, here we have Lake Victoria. It is located in eastern part of Africa, and Lake Ogota, it is located in the country Niger. Lake Volta, it is located in the country Ghana. And Lake Fagouin, it is located in just north of Mali. And Lake Fagouin, it started disappearing due to its catastrophic drought in the year 1970. And once upon a time, this Lake Fagouin was considered it is the largest lake of West Africa. So the correct answer is B, that is Lake Fagouin. With this, next move to the next question. Question number 2, related to Gandikota Canyon of South India was created by which one of the following rivers? So these are the tributary we have discussed in the Indian geography in Indian river system. So Gandikota, it is also known as Grand Canyon of India. And this Gandikota, it is located in the village of Gandikota, which is located in the district of Kadapa and in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And this Gandikota name derived from the name Gandi, which means in Telugu gorge. So gorge formed when a river erode and cut a gangetic rock, gorge formed. And the river which flow in this village is known as Pennar. So here the correct answer is C, that is Pennar. Now question number 3. Consider the following pairs. Here we have left column, important peak and mountains. In India physical geography, we have discussed that importance of Himalaya. And in Himalaya, as we have discussed that the westernmost peak is Nanga Parbat. This Nanga Parbat, it is located in the west part of Himalaya, and easternmost peak is Namcha Barwa, and through this Namcha Barwa, the river Brahmaputra cut and enter in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. So in option 1, Namcha Barwa in mountain says Garhwal Himalaya. This is incorrect. As we can see, Namcha Barwa, it is located in the eastern part of Himalaya. Nanda Devi, it is in Kumaon Himalaya. Yes, Nanda Devi, it is located in the state of Uttarakhand. And Uttarakhand is a part of Kumaon Himalaya. So second is correct, 1 is incorrect. We can eliminate A, we can eliminate C, and also we can eliminate D. Why? Because 2 is already correct. So Nokrek, it is not Sikkim Himalaya. We have 3 important hills in the state of Meghalaya, that is Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. And the western part of Garo hills, we have Nokrek peak. So Nokrek, it is not located in Sikkim, it is located in the Garo hills. So here the correct answer is B, that is 2 only. Now next question says, the term Levant often heard in news roughly corresponds to which of the following regions? So Levant, it is a French word. So Levant in French means rising of sun in east, and particularly in the region of Mediterranean Sea and east of Italy. So here the correct answer is A, that is region along the eastern Mediterranean shores. Question number 5. Consider the following countries. Here we have 5 countries: Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. Which of the above have borders with Afghanistan? So as we see that Afghanistan, it is located in the northwest of India, and it's unofficially share around 16 kilometers with India. And south of Afghanistan we have Pakistan, in east Iran, and in north Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. So we can eliminate Azerbaijan, we can eliminate Kyrgyzstan. Why? Both countries are located facing share its boundary with Caspian Sea, not Afghanistan. So if 1 and 2 are incorrect, we can eliminate A, we can eliminate B, and also we can eliminate D. Only one option remaining, that is C, 3, 4 and 5. Next question 6. With reference to India, consider the following statement. So here the question is related to monazite. So monazite are green crystalline minerals, and these green crystalline minerals consist of cerium, lanthanum and thorium, and these elements are rare earth minerals. Now read the statement. Statement 1 says that monazite is a source of rare earth. This is correct as we discussed in definition. Second statement, monazite contains thorium. This statement is also correct. Monazite occurs naturally in the entire coastal strand of India. This is incorrect. Why? Because monazite, it is not found entirely Indian coastal strand. It is found in the state of Kerala coast, Tamil Nadu and some parts of Odisha. So therefore it is rare earth minerals. So if we eliminate option 3, we can eliminate A, we can eliminate C, and we can also eliminate D. Only one option remaining, that is 1, 2 and 4. So B is the correct answer. Question number 7. In the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year normally occurs. So in the chapter climatology, we have discussed the insolation and temperature, and in that chapter we have discussed that equinox, which occurs twice in a year, and the date is 21st March and 22nd September. And equinox means when sun direct overhead at 0 degree equator, and the date is 21st March and 22nd September. And when sun moves toward the northern hemisphere and direct overhead at 23.5 degree northern hemisphere, this is known as summer solstice, and the date is around 21st of June. And when sun moves toward the southern hemisphere and direct overhead at Tropic of Capricorn, means 23.5 degrees southern hemisphere, this is known as winter solstice. and the date is around 22nd December. Now read the statement. First of month June. This is incorrect because 21st June sun is direct overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. Second half of the month of June, yes, this is correct because 21st June, it may be one day ahead or it may be one day back. So 21st June means second half of the month of June. So B is the correct answer. Question number 8. If a major solar storm, solar flare reaches the earth, which of the following are possible effect on earth? So solar flare means it is intense burst of radiation from the sun, and due to intense burst of radiation from the sun, it can directly influence to all the electronic equipments on the earth like satellite, like mobile transmission, like solar system, like GPS navigation, etc. Now read the statement. Option 1, GPS and navigation system could fail. Yes, this is correct. Second statement, tsunami could occur at equatorial region. As we discussed in geomorphology chapter, in the chapter internal structure of Earth and plate tectonic theory. In that chapter, we have discussed earthquake and related to tsunami, and both are associated with the internal disturbance of plate tectonic movement. So we can eliminate 2. A eliminated, B eliminated, and D eliminated. Only one option remaining, that is C. 1, 3, 4, 6, and 7 only. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Biorock technology is talked about in which one of the following situation? So in January 2019, Geological Survey of India and Gujarat Forest Department first time they tried to reduce the coral reefs or coral damage by using of biorock technology. So here the correct answer is A, that is restoration of damaged coral reefs. Now the last question is, in India, what is the role of Coal Controller Organization? So this CCO, it is subordinate office of Ministry of Coal, and the CCO office is, which headquarters is located at Kolkata, and the CCO, that is Coal Controller Organization, it collect and maintain the coal related information of both private sector companies and government companies, and they provide data on the monthly basis. And for that, there is a body called CSA 2008, that is Collection of Statistics Act 2008, which granted statistical authority to CCO to provide all the data related to the coal to the government of India. So option 1 is correct. CCO is a major source of coal statistics in government of India. Option 2, it monitor progress of development of captive coal. This is also correct. Option 3, it hear any objection to government notification relating to acquisition of coal bearing area. So there is another act, CBA, Coal Bearing Act, Areas Act 1970, and under this act it given competent authority to CCO, which working as a permission to opening and reopening of coal mining in India. So here the 3 is correct, 2 is already correct, 1 is already correct, and 4, it ensures that coal mining companies deliver the coal to end users in the prescribed time. So this is the not function of CCO. So we can eliminate 4 and 1, 2, 3 are already correct. So A is the correct answer. So this is how we have discussed some important question from geography portion of UPSC Prelims 2022. In next video, we'll be discussing some environment question of UPSC Prelims 2022. Thank you so much.